Good day. This is Peter Kniff from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. markets for the week ending March 23rd. All three major U.S. averages hit multi-record highs in a strong week for equities. For the week, the Dow rose 2%, the S&P 500 climbed 2.3%, and the Nasdaq advanced 2.9%. The S&P 500 and Dow each booked their best weekly percentage gain since December, while the Nasdaq saw its largest weekly percentage rise since January. Treasury yields closed lower on the week after rate moves by several global central banks. The two-year Treasury note finished the week down 12.3 basis points. The 10-year note yield fell 8.6 basis points, and the 30-year bond yield drifted down 3.4 basis points. The 10-year yield ended the week slightly above its 200-day moving average of 4.2%, so we may see a rise in yields next week. The dollar index rose to a three-week high on Friday and advanced for the second straight week, underpinned by bets that other major central banks could start cutting interest rates earlier than the Federal Reserve after the Swiss National Bank unexpectedly cut rates this week. Gold prices continued to hover around record highs, but traded flat on the week. Oil prices were flat on the week, recording a 0.1% gain for WTI and Brent as global inventories remained high and a Gaza ceasefire resolution failed to pass in the UN. Thanks for listening and thanks for doing business with Castlestone. We'll talk to you soon.